Hey, bonjour les amis et bienvenue pour cet épisode 3 de la saison 2 de The Walking Dead. Cette magnifique série de jeux pointés-cliqués par le groupe de Telltale Games, cette compagnie qui s'amuse à refaire des pointés-cliqués de plein de franchises connues, telles que Sam et Max et Retour vers le futur. Et donc aujourd'hui, il n'y a pas très longtemps, l'épisode 3 est sorti, je sais que vous êtes très nombreux à demander la suite. Et c'est ce qu'on va faire aujourd'hui d'ailleurs, je vais reprendre une voix normale à peu près. Donc, on va jouer. On était à l'épisode 3. Où Carver a attrapé le groupe de Clémentine et a tué je ne sais plus qui. Je me souviens plus. Donc, on est parti.
Who do you think did this?
Think about it. You're Carver, what do? What's the most important thing in this world?
Mais laisse-moi répondre.
Clem, it's family.
People like Matthew aren't coming back.
Ah oui, il est mort lui.
No!
Rebecca, our baby deserves to be raised in a place of safety.
Go to hell, you
We're going home.
Comme vous le savez, Clem est la petite fille de la mort. En général, quand on la croise, on meurt pas longtemps après. N'est-ce pas, Ali? Non. Elle est en train de pisser ou quoi? Un papillon zombie. Pollen. Alors. Bon, j'imagine que je peux rien faire d'autre, hein? Pas. Hein? Non, The Walking Dead n'est pas un jeu dirigiste.
You about done over there?
Yeah, 1 second.
Je faisais
Thanks for
caca.
coming with me. It's scary out here. I know they made you. It's still nice that you came.
We're safer if we
On est en
stick
sécurité
together.
tous les deux.
It's gonna be dark soon.
Yeah, I know. But it's cool you came. I thought they were gonna tell my dad to go with me. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Donc qu'est-ce qu'ils font là? Ils nous déplacent
Everything come out all right, girls?
Troy,
Est-ce que tout est
get 'em
sorti
tied
correctement
up.
les filles? Tu es dégueulasse mon gros.
Well, we're on our way. Probably 30 minutes out. Make sure everyone's prepped. Emotions might be running high. Carver out. If I find out you've been wasting fuel to keep that fucking heater going, I'll make you walk back.
No, froze my ass off. Just like you told me to.
It ain't polite to listen to other folks' conversations.
Mais quand tu hurles en plein milieu d'une forêt,
Has
enfin,
anyone ever taught you that?
je
Where's
continue à le
your
regarder.
manners?
Méthode de lit.
No!
D'accord.
Stop! Don't hit my friend!
You don't want to test me, girl. I'll pass every time.
Leave her alone!
L'autre il était trop content derrière.
Tie her up and throw her in with the rest of them.
Donc j'imagine que là, c'est la transition entre le chalet où ils nous ont capturés et là où ils vont nous amener.
Ian,
Je comptais courir à côté du camion, trop de balles.
Are you guys okay?
The hell did he do to you? Hey, did he hurt you? Hey! Hey!
The Walking Dead. Bientôt en France. Avec Thierry Lhermitte dans le rôle de Rick. Quelqu'un a un jeu de Uno? Non? Kenny? Les trois qui vont bientôt mourir là? Non? Le mec de Game of Thrones? Non plus? Des dialogues par Alexandre Astier.
Alright, we gotta do something. Come on. Anyone got anything sharp? Anything? We need to get these bindings off. Hey, Clem, help me find something to get these off. Anything sharp that could cut
Je me
these.
rappelle, à un moment donné, je disais c'est bizarre, mais sans Clem, on dirait que les adultes peuvent pas se débrouiller.
What the hell is wrong with you people? We gotta get out of here.
The
Voilà, il me demande quelque
truck's
chose de
empty.
tranchant
First
pour
off,
libérer les liens.
we're in it, so it ain't exactly empty. If you don't want to help, then just say so, okay?
Putain, mais Kenny,
I'll
quoi.
do it myself. We're in a fucking precarious position here. We gotta do something about
Settle
that.
down, Kenny. They took everything. We have to keep a level head.
He's right. You don't know Bill like we do.
Bill? This whole time it's Carver, Carver, Carver. Now he's fucking Bill?
Puisqu'elle, elle porte l'enfant de
Oh, I
Carver.
see what it is. Y'all are just getting a ride home, aren't you? That's what's going on here.
You don't understand. He's different. It's worse.
The fuck are you talking about?
He wants to punish us.
What do you mean worse?
He's a fucking psychopath now.
You have no idea what you're dealing with.
Oh, he gave me a pretty good goddamn idea back at the lodge. And I don't intend to sit around here and let that happen to the rest of us. I'm trying to help.
I'm sure Walter really appreciated your help.
That's not fair. You're blaming him for the actions of a
I
madman.
am pointing out that regardless of intent, there are consequences to rash actions. Something that he seems to be misreading as capitulation.
I don't know what the fuck you're
Donc en
saying,
gros, Kenny
but I know
s'énerve et
it's
l'autre lui dit
bullshit.
Reste
We
calme,
have to do something.
reste calme. C'est son pire argument, quoi.
Oh shit, jackpot.
Ta-ta-ta-ta.
Sit down. You're going
Kenny
to get yourself
MacGyver.
killed.
Y'all don't know what you're talking about. We get cooped up in some kennel like a bunch of fucking dogs, it's over.
You don't know
Yeah? Well, I've been in this situation
calme-toi.
before. You ever been a prisoner?
Kenny, please, calm down. I think everyone is just tired and cranky.
She's right.
Oui,
We should
mange-moi un
all take it
sneaker.
down a bit.
All right, now we're talking.
Carver will be on the other side of that door with
Je vais
10
pouvoir leur mettre des
people.
petites gifles.
There, baby. It's okay. Everything's gonna be fine.
At this point, maybe Luke is the only hope we have.
If he was gonna do something, he'd have done it by now.
Who knows what
C'est vrai
he's
que Luc a
dealing
pas été capturé.
with? Anything can happen out there.
I'll tell you what happened. He abandoned us.
He may not be around, but he wouldn't just leave us behind.
That guy's a flake. I could tell the second I set eyes
Un
on him.
cornflake.
Luke will help us.
Oh yeah? When? After that crazy fucks killed us all? Hey, look, Clem.
Il a changé, Kenny, quand même. Bon, ouais, il était con, il parlait de bateau, maintenant il est juste
Close.
con, quoi.
Okay, let's do this.
They have guns. What exactly do you expect to do?
I'm gonna punch the first son of a bitch I see. Then I'm gonna take his gun and use it to shoot the next son of a bitch
Ouais,
I
mais
see.
ici, ils sont deux avec des flingues dehors.
Shut up, Doc. This ain't your call. Hey, just, if something happens, just help out, okay?
Oui, toi, l'enfant de 8 ans.
Don't, you know,
Aide-moi, hein.
get yourself hurt or nothing, but any help would be good. Hey, Clem, look at me. You trust me, right?
Kenny, please, just listen to them.
Non, c'est un mauvais plan, quoi.
Maybe come up with a
Le plan de
different
Kenny, en
plan.
fait, c'est de tabasser un mec qui a un flingue, récupérer son
That's
flingue.
okay.
Ok,
That's okay.
mais ici, ils sont 2 ou 3 dehors.
All right. Everybody ready?
Kenny, are you
Super
okay?
plan de l'année.
I think so.
Oh, what hit me?
Un camion.
Probably for the best.
C'était le plan le plus court du monde.
Goddamn brakes ain't working for shit.
All right, up and at 'em.
Ah, c'est pas elle qu'on voit à la fin de la donne 400 jours, qui vient justement chercher les gens.
Fuck? How'd you get your restraints off? Come here.
Je suis le fils de Houdini.
We've got some familiar faces back with us tonight. Now, I understand some of you are confused as to why we bring these people back when they left us as they did.
Think I've got an idea.
Now, it might not come all at once, but time will heal these wounds. So be patient with them until it does. And take solace in knowing that they're here to help us make our home a better place. All these feelings you have.
Putain, on vit dans un Leroy Merlin, les gars.
Betrayal, hate. Now, they're all valid. No one needs to forget what they did. But we do have to find it in our hearts to forgive them.
Look how much food they have.
Oh, I hope you ain't saying what I think you're saying.
As many of you already know, a large herd of lurkers gathers just south of us.
Come on, we need you for something.
Can it wait until morning? We're all exhausted.
Just come the fuck on.
Turn our way. It's nothing we can't handle.
I need him. I need my dad. I can't. He looks after me.
They have been taken into consideration. However, this is not up for debate. The expansion project
Ah, il va
He'll
revenir,
be
t'inquiète
back.
pas.
When? I
Mais j'en
don't
sais rien,
know,
bordel.
But he will come back. Thanks, Clem.
And with the added manpower joining us this evening, I have no doubt that we will continue.
Make sure y'all stay off the fence. Bill can see if you're messing with it.
Just to survive.
Il est conscient qu'il parle tout seul. Ça serait encore plus marrant si le micro marchait pas en fait. Regardez, il y a Bill qui fait un discours encore.
Bright enough to shine in all this darkness. So that is what we'll do.
Oh mon dieu, on va avoir une intervention.
Y'all best get some rest, because there ain't gonna be much for you tomorrow. You're gonna be working hard.
That's for you.
Yeah, it would be. Fucking Bill. Keeps me out in the cold. But at least I'll be comfortable.
Elle arrive encore à bitcher quoi.
Reggie!
Personnage que je connais pas.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. What did they do to you?
This could have been worse, trust me. I'm lucky to be alive. I guess I should say
Reggie helped us
Apparemment c'était pas intéressant.
when we ran away.
What happened to his arm?
Qu'est-ce qu'il est
I
arrivé à
don't
son bras?
know.
Je sais pas.
We were all running out together, but then he fell. And everybody kept running.
Il a dû être
I know
mordu
he had
sûrement.
both his arms then.
Putain, c'est une
They
super
got me
détective
working
elle.
outside. Lurker
Avant j'étais sûr qu'il avait ses deux
snuck up
bras.
on me while I was hammering something. Luckily they took the arm off quick. Saved my life.
That's awful. I'm so sorry.
Ouais c'est ça,
Look,
il a été
it was
mordu
my
par des
choice to help
zombies.
you guys.
Alvin, Carver wants you in his office.
What? Why?
Don't make this difficult. It's too late for that. No, please.
It's okay, Beck. Just get some rest. If he wanted to do something to me, he'd have done it already. I'll be fine.
Alors comparé aux autres épisodes qui commençaient direct dans l'action, là on part sur du narratif, hein. C'est de l'exposition pure et dure.
Hey, Reggie.
Oh, hey Troy.
Don't go fucking up now. Bill's real close to letting you out of here. You make sure things stay nice and quiet out here tonight, and I'll be sure to let Bill know just how helpful you were.
Yeah, you can count on me. Thanks, Troy.
Don't mention it.
Bon. Est-ce qu'on va faire un petit peu d'exploration ou pas là?
Oh, right. Let me introduce you. We were with them when we got caught.
Hey, I'm Reggie.
That's Sarita.
Hello.
And that's Kenny.
Hey,
Hello. Who are you? This freaks you out.
But in the end, it doesn't even matter.
It doesn't matter.
That is a very depressing response to a simple question. I'm sorry I asked.
Sorry. She's had a rough few days.
It's fine. I'm sure she's just traumatized. All kids are these days. Hey, where's Carlos?
Bill's already got him looking at some folks.
Big piece.
Oh, okay. Good. What about Pete? What about Nick?
Ne me dites pas que
He was always taking stupid risks.
ils sont devenus
Can't say I'm
végétariens.
surprised. Poor guy.
Can you guys save it for the morning?
Ah. Et encore notre perso.
Some of us gotta be up early.
Sorry about that.
No problem.
Pour aucune
Sorry
raison, et
about
puis je vais
that.
être gentil, d'accord?
Okay, that's Mike. He's kind of a dick when he's tired, but like I said, he
Ouais,
saved
c'est un
my
peu un
life,
connard quand il est
so
fatigué, il est vrai.
I put up with
Et en
that
même temps, il est prisonnier, quoi.
Bill put him to work outside the wall with me.
I'm so sorry.
Stop with all the sorry. It was my choice. Besides, he said once you were all caught, he'd let me rejoin the group, so I'm glad you're here. I'm just joking.
I know.
I mean, he did say that, but I'm not happy about it.
Why is she off by herself?
Pourquoi elle est toute seule là-bas?
Who?
Qui?
Her,
Ah.
over there.
Ah!
Oh, yeah, right. Okay, so she's fucking weird. They found her sneaking around outside the camp covered in guts and just like the grossest shit.
It's probably best not to stare.
I know how it must look, but it's really not that bad here.
Reggie.
No, I'm serious. Where else are you going to find food like we have? We've got the canned stuff, and now with the greenhouses coming along, we've got fresh food. The building's getting more and more secure all the time, mostly through forced labor, but that's only temporary.
Alors, si vous connaissez la série des Walking Dead ou la BD, vous savez très bien qu'un endroit qui est rempli de bouffe et qui devient fortifié est encore plus exposé aux attaques.
It's not a competition. I'm just saying, it's not as bad as you think. We're building something great here, guys. A real community. Bill is making it happen.
Quoi, Bill veut refaire le show Community, mais il s'est arrêté à la saison 5.
That doesn't make up for what he's done, Reggie.
I know that, but I'm starting to see what this place offers. I didn't before, and with the accident, it's just that much more important now.
Carver killed my friend Walter.
Okay, I don't know what happened. But maybe he had his reasons.
His reason is he's a crazy piece
Je
of
sais pas si
shit.
Reggie a un Stockholm, un syndrome de Stockholm, parce qu'il essaye de persuader les gens qu'ici c'est bien, que Carver est un bon leader, qu'ils ont de la bouffe, que c'est fortifié. Donc là c'est beaucoup de dialogue pour expliquer qu'ils font pas trop confiance à Reggie du coup. Reggie qui a l'air ok pour se tenir à carreau, juste pour être admis dans la communauté que Carver essaye de construire.
Then, once I'm out, I could help you more.
On va pas lui attirer des problèmes déjà qu'il a perdu son bras.
They're expecting me to keep things in line out here.
Well, if Carver's such a
Voilà, en
great
fait, il est
guy,
juste là pour
I'm sure
surveiller
you
comment
got
se passe la
nothing to
soirée.
worry about.
We can at least talk about it more in the morning. Just have a quiet
Il a la
night
chance d'être
and
libéré demain,
chat again
d'être
tomorrow.
accepté dans la communauté. Je vois pas pourquoi je le ferais chier, il m'a rien fait.
Look, the fact is, Bill had every reason to kill me when I helped you guys, but he didn't. Obviously, I don't know what
Il marque
happened
un
while
point.
you were all
Carver aurait
gone.
pu le
He's
tuer, en
given
fait.
me a second chance, and I know he'd do the same for you.
Reggie, I don't want a second chance. I want to leave with my family. That's it.
Your family is safer here.
I need to sit down.
Yeah, come on. Sarah, can you go see if there's
En fait,
something
j'attends
for
de
us to
voir.
drink?
Alors, je vous fais de la
Yeah,
narration un
let's
peu en
walk
même
over
temps,
by the
parce que
benches.
forcément, il y a peut-être des gens qui parlent pas anglais, mais vous avez les
I
sous-titres.
didn't go as planned.
J'attends de voir ce qu'il y a de si terrible avec Carver. Ok, ça a l'air d'être un personnage un peu immoral, ou amoral, je sais plus comment on dit. La moutarde amorale. Immoral, tout ce que vous voulez, mais en même temps, il a un abri, il a des gens assez organisés.
He's already drank too much of the Kool-Aid.
I think he's just
Voilà, je
scared.
pense que Reggie a juste peur.
Everybody's scared.
Mais
Ain't an excuse
après,
to
on pouvait
sound
pas
like
continuer
a
à vivre dans les bois à
nutcase.
manger des sauterelles, quoi.
You gotta
Donc,
take a look around.
j'attends de voir un peu ce que va
We gotta know if there's anything we can
ce que va
exploit
faire
to get out
Carver.
of here.
Personnage
We're
super
in a tight
intéressant.
spot. Gonna have to wriggle our way out.
Well, what should I be looking for?
Stuff that they don't want us to know about.
Ouais, je vais
That
aller flirter un peu à droite à
Troy
gauche.
asshole's gone for now. This is our chance. Don't worry about Reggie. I'll go help run interference on him.
Bon, en gros, il me demande un peu de fureter à droite à gauche.
Walker
Espérant que
just snuck up on you, huh?
ça mettra pas Reggie un problème. Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? Bon, là, il y a un mec qui dort, Mike. Ok, Mike. Ça, c'est qui là-bas? Femme. Je vais regarder la statue de Poisson. C'est pourri. J'aurais pas ça dans mon salon. Avant de parler aux gens, je vais un peu fureter à droite. Regardez au lit.
Guess it's better than the ground.
C'est mieux que le sol. Qu'est-ce que c'est là-bas? Les étagères. Allons voir les étagères.
Looks rickety.
Rickety. Pas grand-chose. Allez, cours un peu. En fait, il n'y a pas de fonction courir, c'est vraiment une fonction de marcher bizarrement.
Try that a few months ago.
Alors, regardez l'engrais.
Ended up bleeding.
Looks kind of crappy.
Ended up turning anyway.
Yeah, like I said, it felt like Mike had done it before. He had a tourniquet on me real quick.
Ok, merci de m'avoir montré ce qui se passait pas, Clem. C'était sympa. Regardez la barrière.
This place seems pretty secure.
Je vais pas toucher la barrière de suite, en fait, je vais parler un peu aux gens avant et puis je vais regarder tout ce qu'il y a autour.
So, how'd you end up with a name like Reggie?
Et Michel Cassé.
Kenny!
What? I'm just asking.
No, it's okay. It's not my real name. On my first day in the US, I stopped and got
Ce que j'aime bien pour l'immersion, ils continuent à parler à côté en fait, ils se sont pas arrêtés, ils disent des choses. Bon, j'entends pas ce qu'ils disent forcément, mais qu'est-ce que c'est ça? Ah, le feu. Ils nous ont laissé un petit barbecue aussi, c'est pas sympa ça? Clem, tu peux le faire, passer entre deux chaises, c'est pas si dur. Elle va faire le tour. Ok, merci pour cette animation de qualité. On va parler à Sarah.
I'm trying to be good. What? Reggie asked me to be good, so I'm being good. I don't want him to get in trouble. I'll talk to you later.
Ok, elle m'a dit en gros, Reggie m'a demandé d'être sage, donc je vais être sage, donc...
I didn't treat him very well these last few weeks. Things got so complicated so fast. It became all about getting through each day. I'm trying real hard to remember the last time I told him that I loved him.
Tu parles de Carver ou de Alvin?
But I just can't remember.
Ouais, tu dois être plus sympa avec lui. Je l'aime pas cette femme, je peux pas quoi. Elle a voulu nous mettre en danger, elle a voulu laisser les autres mourir, maintenant elle râle. Je peux pas l'apprécier en fait. Je peux pas sympathiser. Est-ce qu'elle a fait la misère à Alvin qui était gentil alors qu'elle porte l'enfant de Carver quoi. Alors, on va regarder. J'ai envie de les emmerder les deux. Ah Winona Ryder. Ok, bon, finalement. Parlons à Mike.
Hello.
Tu me rappelles Lee?
Get lost.
D'accord. Tu me rappelles vraiment Lee. Je vais réessayer juste pour voir.
Will you please talk to me?
No. Get out of here.
Est-ce que je peux encore?
Ouais. Go away.
Non. Je peux plus. Ah, dommage. Bon, maintenant, pour aller voir la barrière. Alors... Nugget. Merci sous-titre.
Hey, Clem, come on. Don't be like that.
She ain't doing nothing wrong, Reggie. Just relax.
How can I relax when she's walking
J'ai
around?
juste tiré sur des planches comme tout le monde. Bon, visiblement ça n'a mené à rien. Est-ce que j'ai vraiment quelque chose à faire ou il faut que j'épuise toutes les dialogues? Est-ce que j'ai des choses à faire par là? Shutter. Est-ce que Troy est là? Non. Alors la boutique de bijoux, c'est là où on a vu Billy pour la dernière fois.
Clementine, please. I asked really nicely. I don't want to...
What the hell is she doing?
No, nothing. You know, kids. They love not listening.
You had one job, Reggie. This is real disappointing. Gonna have to tell Bill about this.
Please, come on.
Oh putain.
Hey, don't be like that, man.
You shut your fucking mouth. I don't know you.
Ok, je crois qu'il est dans la merde.
Oh, you're all fucked up now. Bill's gonna hear about this shit.
Troy, please.
Fuck you, Reggie. This is setting you back a few. Get comfortable, asshole.
He was trying to help. She's just a kid.
No one's talking to you, Indian lady.
Hey!
Whoa.
It's fine. I am Indian.
Everybody get to bed.
Some of these folks ain't too keen on leaving. It's up to us to figure out a way out of here. You up for it? It's your decision.
Do I have a choice?
Ouais.
Of course.
Really?
Nah, not really. You gotta do this one. Now get some
Bon
sleep.
bah ok alors.
We'll need it.
On va essayer de s'échapper puisqu'apparemment j'ai pas le choix quoi. Pour essayer de sympathiser. Ah. Ouais. Oh mon dieu, c'est la pause. Et ça veut dire qu'on se retrouvera pour un autre épisode de The Walking Dead, saison 2, épisode 3. À bientôt.